Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois on this beautiful, gorgeous day. I have this ground up restoration on a 1978 Pontiac Trans Am that has been repainted in a high finish gloss black, and all the gold decals have been added onto the vehicle, along with a new set of the snowflake tires and, well, snowflake wheels with the BFG tires. Sorry about that. Exterior of this body on this car is original and very straight. The paint lays down very nice, miles long and shine. The engine is the correct 400 cubic inch motor for Pontiac. It features power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning. So here's your sticker with the factory 400 right over there. It does have an automatic transmission, and we'll go over that shortly here. But beautiful paint, a very nice exterior on the vehicle. Engine compartment is really clean. There you have it. Just freaking gorgeous, guys. Beautiful finish. Brand new. Exhaust system sounds great on the car. Trunk is super clean. Check this out. Look at this reflection. Underneath is very nice as well. You guys can refer to my photos. I took close to 100 photos on the car. Since we're on this side, door panels are excellent. Door lips, weather stripping, excellent. Door sill plates are brand new, body by Fisher. Outer door jambs are excellent, along with the inner door jambs. Let's check out the driver's side. Factory Z code car. I don't know if you can see it. Z. Z is for 400 cubic inch. New door handles, chrome. You guys can put the decal on here if desired. Again, on the driver's side, just like the passenger, excellent weather stripping, excellent door lips, new door sill plate. Outer jamb is excellent, along with the inner jamb as well. Interior is super clean, as you can see. Seat belts intact. Package tray is nice. You can add your 6x9s if desired. It does have a factory radio. Dash is excellent. Let's get in the car. Factory AM FM radio. Dressed up as this special edition, as you can see there, with the gold. Radial tuned suspension. It is a WS6 and a W72 real car. We have 3 build sheets we found when this car was stripped down. Okay. Let's give it a fire up. Pump it once. There we go. Odometer shows 63,000 miles. RPM tach is inoperable. Keep that in mind. Wipers are functioning. Horn works. Let's see on the heat. Defrost. I don't feel anything coming out. Oil pressure is good. temp gauge functions, clock is in up. You know, sometimes what I'll do is I'll take apart this dash here and I'll clean the end of the tips there with an SOS pad, and it usually does work. RPM inoperable. So a couple of those things we can fix for you. It will be an additional cost. You can call me for a quote on those things, because we are selling the car in as-is condition. Listen to the exhaust. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Let's get the lights on. So the turn signal on this side is inoperable. Let's check out the right side. There we go. And that right side is inoperable. So these two turn signals are inoperable. But like I said, we could fix these items. I just wanted to let you know what's working, what's not. Obviously, what's not working. For a little additional cost, not much. Any mechanic can really take care of those things. They're very minor. Okay, so let's just go for a little ride. Okay, so let's check it out. I don't have my holder here, nor I have my dealer plates. Oh boy. But with this radial tune suspension, car takes bumps really nice. That was a big deal in the late 70s when the Pontiac started that radial tune suspension. I mean, it feels like a new car driving down the road, to be honest with you, with it. Feels good. I like it. All right, let's pop a U-turn here because I don't have my dealer plate. Hate to get on a main road. Let's see how it shifts. Wow. That's all 3 gears there, guys. We were at 55 miles an hour, pretty darn quick. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the information on my 78 Pontiac Trans Am here at MGM Classics, where I tell you everything about the car, bad and good. So if you like it, give me a call or text me. If you need delivery, you can call or text for a quote. This is our brown building here, brown brick building, full of over 250 classics inside and outside. So check us out on the web at mgmclassiccars.com. We got trucks too. We got a Hummer. Got Cadillacs. We got late model cars here, Corvettes, old school Mustangs, Trans Ams, another Fox bodies here, C5s, couple imports. There's our main headquarters there. So yeah, give me a call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas. I'll be more than happy to help you out with delivery or whatever else you need, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.